Hi, and welcome to another build video. In this video I am going to build a Golf Cabriolet that was won in a giveaway. It's a collaboration with Doc's Cabrio Onderdelen, or in other words, Doc's Convertible parts. As base model I am using a Golf Cabriolet from norev models, 1/18 scale, and it have to be something like this in the end. It's already nicely detailed. When it's the first time you're visiting my channel, please subscribe, like, comment or share. You help me a lot. And do you want your own car or your dream car built by me? Please hit me up on Facebook, TikTok or leave a comment below and I'll get right back to you. But first, let's take it apart. Most of the parts from the car are screwed together or glued, so it's really easy. The model doesn't come with opening parts, but for this build it's okay. And for this price it's already a nicely detailed model, so I can't complain. I've taken everything apart and I drilled some holes for the lights later on in this build. I forget to make pictures from the sanding process, but here it is primered. In between the primer and the base coat I sanded a little and now it's time for the final coat. The color is an original VW color. It's called aqua blue. It's a deep blue metallic with a kind of purple shine to it. I had the color specially made for this car. It's an automotive lacquer. My tip: never use cheap paint, because you are ruining the car. So, after the first coat, I let it dry for a while and put on another coat. In total I used 3 coats of aqua blue. And when the car was drying, I started with the interior. I printed some decals for the seats. It's called the Jovi edition, so it got special seats and some other options and decals. The model already comes with a cloth carpet, so I didn't have to do anything about that. In the meantime the paint was dry, so let's take the clear coat and let's put it on. That was after 1 coat. And when the clear coat was drying, I already put in the electronics and the LED lights for the interior and later on for the body. The body already got a nice shine to it. And the interior is coming along nicely. Lights are fitted and they work. I used some 6mm LEDs I bought on Amazon. They are powered by 3 AAA batteries. Now it's time to put everything back together. The car has turned out great. It got a nice shine to it. And when you're still watching this video, please like, share, comment or subscribe. You help me a lot. As you can see, I made some license plates and printed out some decals for the logos. And I tinted the rear lights, just like the real car. So let's put the body back on the chassis. It's really a tight fit with all the cables, but it works. It fits. All the lights are working, so I can move on to make some Mark IV style headlights, because the real car got them too. I used the original headlights. I put on some nails for the little lights in the middle. The pictures and the video doesn't do them justice, but in real life they look much better than on the video. The lights are finished, so I can make a V06 lip, just like the real car. Then the mailman arrived with the new 3D printed wheels. Link in description where you can buy the wheels and other wheels and tires for your build. And when the wheels were drying, I put on a big boy exhaust, of course. But the wheels look really nice and I lowered it. Finally, it's finished. It took me about 2 weeks to build. So I hope you enjoyed this video Where you're not already subscribed, please subscribe or like, share or comment. And I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.